Mukwano oli otya olunaku olwaleero?
Gendi ndaba.
Yongerako ku ddoboozi. Oli bulungi. Science okulaba webale twalirizaako mu kifo kino webale na butatugoba. Kwa bangi batugoba. Mugende naye munnange wale kubanga otwaniriza. Sobola okubanga tujjako mu kitundu kino tusobola okubanga tuwayawayamuko naawe. Obulamu buli butya?
Obulamu buli
mpola mpola. Genda kubanga oyogerako nnyo twongereko ku ddoboozi bantu basobole okubanga bakuwulira bulungi. Amannya gaffe?
Amannya mbitibwa Nabulwala Scovia.
Mrs. Scovia.
Nabulwala Scovia.
Oviira sayidi ki bakuzaalawa?
Anzaala eyo Buduuda.
Buduuda. Wajja atya ggwe okuwona ebizibu ebiri e Buduuda? Wajja atya okuwona ebizibu ebiri e Buduuda kuba nabyo si byangu. Oba gwe wali wavaayo dda nga toliiyo? Ekiteeka bino ebizibu by'ettaka ekuyiika ligenza okujja nga gy'oli. Gwe wasimatuka otya?
Anti si bitundu byonna. Waliwo ebirala.
Tegeeza gwe ekitundu kye wali mukyali seefu okusingako bano abalala gye bali. Wakulira eyo wazaalibwa eyo? Maama ne tata gye bali?
Tata yafa naye maama gyali.
Ali Buduuda. Akola mulimu ki eyo? Balimi aye Ababuduuda bakola mirimu ki? Mirimu ki gye batambuza eyo? Kulima. Naye ekifo mpulira kiwulidde sinnakimanya nnyo kifuna bulungi ekifaananyi kyakyo. Balima ne balunda. Kati maama yo teweeraliikirira mbeera eyo ettaka liyiika buli kadde tomweraliikirirako. Wali seefu. Obulamu butambula butya so far? How is life now? Not now, but want to life before. How was it?
At home there. Life was not good.
Was not good. What happened? Like how many are you at home? How many kids? Before coming to Kampala. So want to talk about life before Kampala? Before? Yes. How was it?
I was there where I began from my childhood.
Yes, we want life from your childhood.
Okay.
Yes.
I was there in government school. Studying. But life was not very good. But since mother and mother were there together.
How did you get to know that life wasn't good? Because you were still young.
Auntie, I started in USA. But those people who are good, they take their children.
Which year was that? Which year was that?
I started in 1997.
1997.
Yes.
How many are you at home?
At home, 7.
You were 7.
5 girls and 2 boys. But I was the last born.
I see. You were the last born.
So I did my P7 in the year 2, but the results was not good. They told me to repeat. So I repeated me in 2-3. Then I passed.
You passed, eh?
I gained the second level in 2-4 until I completed in 2-9. Until I completed senior 6. But you see, the results of senior 6 was not good.
What of senior 4?
That one of senior 4 was good. me to go ahead. Then I started up to senior 6.
What combination was that before?
HLDG.
HLDG. Yeah. Let's go on.
But the results was not good because I did the examination when I was pregnant.
Hey, you were pregnant when you sat for senior 6. So they didn't chase you out of school?
When you are senior 6, you can leave with it.
Because you had already paid for registration.
But if you haven't paid, you remain. Then you wait for examinations. But if you have already paid,
they allow you to sit. So what was the situation at school when you were pregnant? Because I hear kids, like students, were like bullying.
But by good luck, I finished well in too much. They have already understood the situation very well.
When they see that the thing is like this, these are how students react.
No, I left there when the stomach has not yet come out, so they didn't know.
Okay, they didn't know about it. What of the teachers at school? They knew about. They didn't know. What was the mother's reaction when she got to know that you're pregnant before even sitting exams?
They were harsh to those 5 children. And those 5 children ran away because of the situation. So
they also did the same. Maybe you copied the habit from them.
No, but since they realized that it is the situation which is making children run away, for me,
so they had to act calm.
So now finished senior 6. The results were not good.
What do you So when you realize that you're pregnant, didn't you think of abortion, something like that?
And they told us before that once you get pregnant, stay at home for a use, then you go back to school.
So they were doing sensitization about it. Okay. I thought you had those bad feelings, like, okay, let me go and abort. Like friends tell you that you can't do this.
By the time the stomach came out, I was at home. And the friends are not good very much.
So we want to talk about the other family, like the boy who got you pregnant. So what was their reaction after knowing that their boy made someone pregnant?
On our side, he came at home and I reported him, so they want to harass him.
He was a strong man, by the way. How old was he by that time? I thought he was a young boy. Hey. Okay. So he accepted and took care of you. And the baby?
She is very happy in the village.
So I want us to talk about the situation when you were pregnant. What happened? Were you not falling sick? You tell us about that situation during the pregnancy. Oh, the man's family had some money. Were they taking good care of you by that time?
Yes, he was sick. But I felt this, but he also cared about it.
So your mom and dad never thought of imprisoning the man?
They are not bad people.
All the families used to know each other. So after giving birth, then what happened?
After giving birth, when the child was 6 months, I went back to school.
You went back to school?
I went back to school on the results of senior 4.
Okay.
But money was not there.
So you wanted to go back and redo senior 6?
You wanted told me to use that one on senior 4 because.
Or you were breaking just to go to an institute and you for a course using that one of senior 4. Oh, I thought you went back and researched for senior 6.
They told me to use that one of senior 4 and I branched.
So what course was that?
I had the course of nursing assistant. But by bad luck.
Why do you say by bad luck?
And by bad luck, that very young when I finished it, they burnt it out.
Accidentally?
No. And they burnt that one of nursing assistant. They remained in. That we call that one. Direct that one.
Then who was paying tuition for you?
Still mom and dad. And the father of the kid also helped, but their people they put him some bigambo.
Some wolokoso. That word, you want that wolokoso. They used to tell him that word.
When I produce, I know very well that I'm going back to school. But I said that UGANDA stay there. He look after his kid. After the time I wanted to go back, I will go. So just a few months I in Uganda. Stayed there with him. Then I left and I went back to school. He came there, paid some tuition, plus father and mother also paid. Until I finished.
You were still talking about Sam Wolokoso. Then after hearing the Wolokoso, what was his reaction?
He remained in the farm.
I thought he stopped paying for you tuition. He was a good man. Then what happened on the way? Because he was a good man, and then on the way, what happened?
That's a good man. I was still there because he had heard that they might imprison him, but afterwards, he behaved very bad.
Behaved very, very bad. What was the cause of that? Maybe you were seeing some other men. I know you girls.
After finishing the education, I went back. I went back.
So were you at some point and like, okay, let's stay together with that guy, with our kid? So did you stay together or you never stayed together?
We stayed together, but we didn't have short time.
For how long?
Almost 1 year.
Almost 1 year. What was the situation in marriage?
The situation changed. The situation changed was not good as the time we began.
You know, marriage is not an easy thing. You know, we ladies, we know that. What exactly happened when you were in marriage? Was he beating you? Was he not giving you food? Was he not taking care of the kid? What happened exactly?
The kid was staying at home with my mom and daddy because they loved her so much.
For you were staying together without the kid.
But once you tell him that let me go and see my kid. Even a 50 coin like this, you can't say that I have this one, you take to the parents because they sell the kid. When my mom and when the daddy said that.
Our sister, we're still talking about the situation at home, like in marriage. You were telling me that when you wanted to go and see the kid, he never used to give you money.
When Tata said to him that I want to marry.
You talk louder.
When my daddy said to him that I want to marry Kabalua, he responded very badly.
So your dad wanted him to pay dowry, and he takes you officially. There, I want to know in your home area. So how do you take it? Like, what exactly happens when a guy impregnates a woman or a girl? So what do you consider in your tribe?
In our tribe, you have to pay fine. You have to pay virginity overture. You have to pay.
Even though the girl is not virgin. You were talking about virginity overture, even though the girl is not virgin.
when she hasn't produced, you have to, when you are the first person to impregnate that girl, you have to pay virginity overture. Then the third one you have to pay barua.
Yatata.
Yatata. Then you have to pay dowry.
So never paid any of those.
He stopped on fine, and that fine he didn't also complete it.
How much was that? Was it money or something else?
Money.
Money. How much?
500,000.
That is much money. It is much. Don't blame the guy because that is much money. That means if you complete all those, that is a lot of money, millions and millions of money.
Yeah. But you don't pay within one.
So for you as a woman, as a lady, you never, like, you were being on your money's side, and you're like, my money doesn't have money.
And that was the case.
Because I know when you're in love with someone, you have to be on his side. Then what happened? We are still talking about the situation at home when he failed to give you money to go and see the kid. You used to talk to him one-on-one.
He failed to pay.
Have you ever sat down together and you're like, okay, let's talk about this? Have you ever? With the man, the father of the kid.
And if you tell him, he said that you are the one who is demanding, who is standing for your family. So it is your family members
who are going to gain
to demand, but not you yourself.
So how did you come to Kampala? How did you come to Kampala? Because I see you now in Kampala. From where? From Bududa to Kampala. How did you get to Kampala?
I saw also the social media is not good. I had some, there was some school which I used there to teach private.
There in Bududa.
So when I got that money, I said, let me go there. I thought that much money was this.
You thought in Kampala there is a lot of money in Kampala. Ngojja kuyola msimbi.
But I have reached it.
Kati Kampala wajja wani ng'ali akulesa. N'akuyita mbu jangu Kampala.
Nze kennyini eyamugamba.
Amugamba yakujja ku Kampala. Because bingi ebibere Kampala buwera mu kyalo owulira Kampala waliyo sente. Kampala waliyo. Kati omwana aliwa. Omwana gwe wazaala aliwa mami aliwa.
Yagenda ne taata we.
Kati Saawa zinali myaka emeka? 12. Kuze. You have other kids?
One.
So kati oli omwana gwe walekayo mu kyalo asoma oba tasoma? Oba tewaddamu kumanya biddako toyagala kumanya?
Since school there is a government sponsor, you pay but not very much. You pay little.
So what is the situation now? How is it now?
It is not good because I'm not working.
Are you married or you're staying with sister?
I'm staying with my sister.
Then I've seen the other kid, yeah? The other kid you're breastfeeding.
I came with it.
Then what about the father of the kid?
He's in the village.
So that father, the father's kid, were you not married with him? Or you just produced and went away?
I was married with him.
So for his case, did he pay the other whatever you told me? The virginity, whatever. Did he pay? Oh, he acted like the other first one.
He didn't also pay.
So you have only one kid with him? Two kids. So is he taking care of you or he's just there in the village?
He's just there in the village.
Then who takes care of you at this moment?
My sister and my mom.
I see they are not also well off. How do you go? Even I don't know. Because you're just seated home. Then how about the Mulamu? He's also seated. Because how do you go about the situation at home? How do you handle it?
I can depend on my sister and my mom. So when there is something, if it is not them, so long as they are all about the person, that feed. I breastfeed.
Haven't you ever failed to get something to eat at home?
Yeah.
Have you ever reached in that situation where there is, like, you find yourself, you don't have anything to eat, the kid is just there crying? Or you've never reached that situation? because I've found the kid crying so much. Tetenkanya wanoonyako emirimu okyali mu kunoonya osobola kukola mirimu nga ki? Mirimu ki gy'osobola okukola? Aba gwa house girl. Kati house girl olina kulekawo abaana ng'ogenze mu bwa house girl because ono omwana ndaba akyayonka. Omwana akyali muto because okyamuyonsa.
Mukulu agenda kuzisa.
Kati waliwo asobola okusigaza omwana in case ng'ofunye omulimu oba waliwo akutwala bwa house girl. Olina w'osobola oleka omwana.
If it was that one. I hear I used to teach there in the village. Wanoonyako mulimu gw'okusomesa kusomera. Wanoonyako? Ne Kampala. Wotandikira. You don't have friends there. And ne sister talina oba friends bogamba nti at least analo akasomero tulabe ng'osobola osomesa. I know at school they use English also. Because down there in the village, I know you were not using Uganda, not so? You were using English. N'olugisu. So, kati ki ky'osinga okwagala? Awazino. I want some job and
so that you say it loud. You say it loud. You want some?
I wanted to look for a job. I do so that
you can take care of your kid.
I help my children and I myself.
Okay. Remind me of your name because it was very difficult. I've even almost forgotten.
I know the
So, you know, Logi, I want you to cry out loud in your local language because you never know. There are some Bagisu out there who may want to help. So it would have been better if you say it in your local language. Yeah, you cry out loud to them so that they can hear you in your local language. Yes.
Balevendino mendi bubi menza kumulimo nga shengunyalata isaba omuntu oli ku mulimu ebulafiyo nange enyaliseho oramba benge embeso efamily esene nesesa munye enyaliseho.
Are you done? You're done. Okay, wetu tusobodde okuba ne muganda waffe mukwano gwaffe sister waffe mwanyina mmwe bwate basobodde okuba nga abannyonnyola yadde Olugisu sirumanyi nnyo naye nga nsobola okuba nga ntegeddemukko nti mumuyambe kasobola okuba nga afuna omulimu asobola okuba nga abeezaawo famire ye. Musanze n'omwana omuto, mwana akyayonka naye mwana tusanze akaaba nnyo. Ekyokulya nakyo kizibu okufuna nenga tuyambe ku muganda afe gwe natanaba kubanga subscribinga mukwano ogenda ku channel tekamu ebyo media ogenda kubanga otufuna buterevu so kubanga ofuna buli kimu kuona kawo mukade ogenda kubanga ofuna buli ketuteekayo mwena abatu obuyambe bwenjawulo mwebale nnyo mwebale ddala omutima gwo tusigenda kubanga twetaaga sigenda kubanga